Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I know I'm looking like Auntie K right now. I don't know, this hair is so different, y'all. Today's video is in collaboration with LuvmeHair, and they did send over to me this unit that I'm wearing. This unit is super easy. It is a headband wig. Takes me, well, it took me like 30 seconds or probably like a minute to like just put it on my head. It's really easy, really quick. If you want a good option for days when you don't want to do your hair, something that's quick and you know you can get out the door. If you have a meeting and you look crazy, you know you can always put a headband wig on and you're good to go. I know this one is so short, it's not like my usual, but we're just gonna like hop into the video and then you're gonna see like how I achieve this and you're gonna know my thoughts. But yeah guys, keep on watching. So today's wig is pretty short. It is 8 inches. This is what it's looking like straight out of the packaging. This is what the curls are looking like. It has a Velcro band to adjust to your head side. It also has combs on the inside. And this is a headband wig, so it's no glue, no lace or anything involved. I have my hair pulled back in like a little ponytail and I'm just gonna add it over top. This is super easy and simple.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
And I'm shaking guys and it's not moving. It's very snug. All I did was add the combs and adjust the Velcro strap. This is what it's looking like, giving very natural, like it's literally giving like it's my hair because of how short it is. I'm gonna go in and spray some water, add some mousse, and we're gonna just like comb the curls out so it looks more defined. And then I'm gonna go in with my Lato Body Mousse. I can never pronounce this, but I'm gonna go in with this Lato Body Mousse. It's for curls, and we're just gonna define these curls some more.
She's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. Cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. Talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that that you'll be able to win this wrong.
Guys, so this is the hair. This is the finished look. It's super easy to achieve like this style. It's a headband wig. The curls are very straightforward. All I did, as you saw, add a little water, a little mousse, and here we are. And I just fluffed it up. It's very different for me because it's like really short. I've never had curls this short, but I think it's cute. Like, let me know what you think down in the I was just about to say down in the description, but let me know what y'all think down in the comments section. It is a headband wig and they did send me some headbands, so I'll try a headband on just to show you. But I like wearing the headband wigs like this. I don't know why. It just gives me like a more natural vibe. But you can wear whatever scarf, whatever headband you like, and always like switch the look up. This is literally giving me like my hair. It's so short, but it's just like cute. It's like a cute difference because I've never worn like a headband wig like this. I've never done a style like this, but like let me know down below what y'all think. And I'm gonna try a headband on just so you can see. They did send to me like a lot of headbands, but we're just gonna put one on. And when you buy headband wigs, you can choose like the different headbands that you want. Maybe we should try this. I don't want anything that, you know, clashes too much. I don't know. And then we're definitely not doing this one, nah. And they have the white, which will not go. And then this one, guys, and this is one of the headbands that I was sent. It's definitely giving me like natural vibes. I personally would wear it without a headband because of how short it is. I like it with just the band that comes with it. But this is what it's looking like with a headband, so you can do whatever headband you want or whatever scarf, bandeau, whatever like, you know, suits you. But I would much rather it with like nothing. But this is the look, y'all. Let me know down below what y'all think. Would you cop this headband wig? It's super easy, super quick. If you want something to just get up and go, this is definitely it, especially for them bad hair days when you really don't want to be bothered with your hair. This is definitely it. It'll give you an easy protective style. So yeah, let me know down below. I know this is very different. I feel so like weird, I don't know, because I look so different with this. But let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to check out the description box if you want details on this wig. Shout outs to LuvmeHair for sending me this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.